I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you the three magical powers of early morning urine. Yes, three things you can do with your early morning urine to break us, to remove bad luck, and to make you beautiful or handsome. Okay, so that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. And anything you don't understand, do wait to ask question. Okay, let's take a short. I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Today, guys, I'll be teaching you three powerful use of early morning urine and the right way to do it. Nobody's talking about. I've seen a lot of videos on concerning how to use early morning urine, and that I'm going to teach you some things that are some features that are missing there. Okay, yeah, you have been taught and you will know that your early morning urine is very much powerful. Yes, it's very, very much powerful. Okay, and one thing you have to know about this early morning urine, if you are going to use early morning urine to do any ritual, you must make sure that the last 7 days you did not have sex. I know a lot of people have talked about this early morning use it, do that, this, that, but some people will say they did it, it works. Some people, they don't do it, they did it, it does not work for them. This is the truth. If you are going to use your early morning urine for anything, make sure the past several days you do not have sex with anybody, and make sure for the past several days you are not on your menstrual cycle. Yes. Okay, if you are on your menstrual cycle, you make use of this, it will not work. And if you had sex for the past several days, and maybe you had sex with someone and within 3 days you do this, it will not work, because sex is something that destroy anything destroyable. Sex is very much powerful, very, very much powerful to destroy things. Because of the energy involved. Yes, so if you are going to use your early morning urine for anything, make sure the past several days you do not have sex, and the past several days you did not. You are not on your menstruation precisely. Make sure the past several days you did not have sex, and this past several days you are not on your menstruation. Okay. And another thing you need to know before you use your early morning urine for anything, that if you are going to use your early morning urine for any ritual, make sure before you make prayers on that early morning urine that day you did not talk to anybody. Two things that irritate people and that are very, very much powerful in human being. Your urine irritates people and your spit irritates people. And those are the powerful things. As in, those two elements are, when combined, are very, 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 very much powerful. Yes, when you combine these two elements, it's very, very, very much powerful. Okay. But one of the lists I'm going to teach you what to do with your early morning urine is this. When you wake up, for example, you are facing bad luck, or you are going to meet someone for help, or maybe you are going out to look for a job. Okay, so when you are going out to look for a job, okay, as in, you are going to so place so bad, so that like 3 days to the day you are going to meet that person for help. Do this, get your early morning urine, wake up around that guy 4 5. When you wake up around that guy 4 5, so put your early morning urine in a bowl, then you hold it on your palms, and then start making your prayers on it, what you want and how you want it to be. Then as you are making the prayers on it, you'll be putting the spit. You make the prayer. Remember, you will not talk to anybody. You should not talk to anybody before you do this. Okay, when you just wake up, go and pee on something. Then on the bowl, then hold the bowl with your 2 hands, and then you start making the prayers. Yes, and as you're making the prayers, you'll be putting the spit on this urine. You hold it with your 2 hands, you make the prayer, you put the spit. So that's how you'll be doing it. Anything you want, pray on it. That use this to bath. Believe me, within the 3 days you do this. After that 3 days, then go and meet that person for help, or go to where you want to go, or go apply for what you want to apply. You will definitely come out victorious. You definitely go back victorious. And if you do this, maybe you are going to meet someone for help. After doing this, if you are going to, make sure there's salt with you. Okay, activate salt, put on it 3 times as I've taught earlier. Then you put it on a paper or on a leather, then put it in your pocket and go to wherever you are going to. You are safe. By special grace of Almighty God that you are looking for, you will get it. Another way to use early morning urine is that once you've done it, another thing is that maybe, for example, maybe you are the kind of parent that things normally work out before, people normally love you before, your boss love you before, and later on the person change his mind, your wife or your husband, later on the person is not as frequent with you again, or maybe normally have sales in the shop before, and later on this happens, you're not having sales. All you have to do is get your early morning urine. After you get your early morning urine, then get alligator pepper, several seed of alligator pepper, put it in your mouth. Once you put that several seed of alligator pepper in your mouth, then chew it. Then blow the spit on your body, like on your body. Blow. After you have blown the alligator spit on your mouth, on your body, then then what you have to do next is to just start making this thing, making your prayers on the early morning urine. Then as you're making the prayers also, definitely you see also people putting the spit on the early morning urine. When you are done making your prayers on it, so divide the urine inside into two places. Half of it, mix it your bath water, then take your bath with it. Then the other half, take it to your shop. Go and sprinkle it in your shop early, very, very early morning, in the morning before the sun rises. Yes, you go and sprinkle it around your shop and you start making your prayers on it as well. Definitely within 3 days, you'll see changes. Within 3 days, I'm giving you by special grace of Almighty God, you'll see changes. That's the third thing you can do with your early morning urine. Okay. And so that's the second thing you can do with your early morning urine. The third or the least you can do with your early morning urine. Your early morning urine can make your skin growther. Yes. Your early morning urine can make you shine. So if you're the type of person you normally have a bright skin, you want to look beautiful, you don't look beautiful, or maybe you're not looking beautiful. Now you want to look more beautiful or handsome. You want people to see you as so beautiful or handsome. This is what you are going to do. Okay. This is what you are going to do. What you have to do is that bathe with early morning urine at least once in a week. Yes, at least once in a week. You see how your skin will. Before you know it, people will start asking you, what are you using? Or which type of cream are you using? Now you are shining. Or what is the secret? Or, So this will make you look more handsome or more beautiful. Try it at least once in a week, early morning urine.